So here we are. It's Jeff from RV Diagnostics. We're moving in to a Spendie dish laundry washer and dryer combo. Spendie Curb-O-Matic 6000 open gray valve first. One day I'm gonna put a switch up here and put a power valve out there, but that'll be just more. So preventive maintenance is what I'm talking about. So I use this when I'm on vacation. See that gets clogged. I gotta clean that out. When you pull this, a little bit of water comes out, so you want to catch it right there. Just a real quick idea. All right, preventive maintenance. And then that, I'll wash that off. There's a little hole right there. And that stays. I'll leave this open, let it dry all the time. All right, so like I said, that was a quick video. 1 minute. I guess they call that a shorty. Preventive maintenance. We're back from Myrtle Beach. Like I said, I got to meet a couple members down there. Thank you very much. It's Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. This is for experienced RVers and newbies out there. Welcome to RVing. Even though the prices of fuel are up, we're going to still go camping. All right, thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Don't forget to check out the Facebook page, RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting. It's going to be well over 26,000 members this year. It's 25 something now. And also the website where I do one-on-one. All right, www.rvdiagnostics.com. And my email is, you got it, Jeff at RV Diagnostics. What's the motto? Test, not guess. All right, so let me get some feedback out there from y'all. Put down there in comments, hey, did I clean my washer and dryer all the time? Preventive maintenance. If you do this, they ain't gonna give you too much problems. All right, I can tell you that. The people that don't maintain them is the problem. They have more problems. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics.